Welcome to the Car Truth. Today, we're unveiling the 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome Truck, a groundbreaking fusion of executive-class luxury and full-scale mobility. With Volkswagen's signature precision and a bold new design, this limousine-style motorhome is crafted for those who demand comfort, presence, and performance on every mile of their journey. Asterisk from the outside, this rig is nothing short of majestic. The body is stretched to limousine proportions, finished in a flawless pearl white with chrome accents and a panoramic glass roof that extends across the entire cabin. The front grille is sleek and minimal, featuring Volkswagen's illuminated badge and adaptive LED laser headlights. It rides on polished 24-inch alloy wheels, and the custom rear motorhome section blends seamlessly into the main chassis with flowing curves and aerodynamic edges. Asterisk, what makes this vehicle truly stand out is the dual-purpose nature of its design, equal parts executive limo and luxury with a low-slung profile and an elongated frame. It looks like something out of a futuristic VIP convoy, yet it delivers all the amenities of a high-end mobile suite. Asterisk, step inside and you're welcomed into a private world of sophistication. The cabin features 4 captain's chairs in buttery soft white leather, each with massage, heating, ventilation, and full reclining capabilities. The floor is finished in real walnut wood, and ambient LED lighting runs along the ceiling edges. Customizable by zone and mood. Asterisk, a central touchscreen console sits between the rear seats, giving passengers control over entertainment, lighting, temperature, and privacy settings. Opposite the seating area, a 50-inch retractable smart display emerges from a custom cabinet paired with a premium 3D sound system for immersive entertainment. Asterisk, moving toward the rear, the motorhome zone offers a convertible sofa bed, fold-out, workstation, and retractable privacy divider. This section is ideal for overnight stays, remote work, or pure relaxation. The walls are lined with sound-absorbing panels and acoustic fabric for a whisper-quiet interior. Asterisk, the kitchenette is compact and sleek, featuring a single induction cooktop, mini fridge, microwave drawer, and sink with filtered water. Every surface is fingerprint resistant and built for efficiency and elegance. Asterisk, the bathroom includes a standing shower with glass doors, a tankless water heater, touch-lit mirror, and a smart toilet with heated seating and auto-cleaning functions. Everything inside reflects the highest attention to detail. Asterisk, under the hood, the 2026 Volkswagen Limousine Motorhome Truck is powered by a hybrid V6 turbocharged engine paired with a plug-in electric system. Together, they deliver smooth, quiet acceleration with over 700 horsepower and an estimated range of 650 miles. Air suspension and adaptive cruise control make every ride feel like you're floating on the road. Asterisk, for more videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to The Car Truth.